Hey, welcome once again to Umeskia YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all our latest uploaded video. So what I'm going to teach about AWS. Most people have heard of AWS. AWS is it is owned by Amazon, and they usually have a cloud service called AWS, Amazon Web Service. So I'm going to show you on how you can create an instance in AWS, and I'm going to explain everything about AWS and how you can this is a course where you will learn about the AWS. So in order to start with the AWS, you need first to have an account with Amazon. So for me, you can just Google AWS. When you Google S, you will be this is what will load. Then just click Amazon web, not Amazon, yes, aws.amazon.com. So let it load. Here it's written cloud computing services, so you can create an account if you don't have one, but if you have one, you can just click sign in. Let it load. So we are creating I have an account already, so I'm going to log in into my account. Which it load. I don't know why it's taking long, but it will be just fine. Yeah. Now it has already opened. Now you can just click here, the not here, you root user. Then I will enter my name. That's my email address that I've created with. Then I'm going to write the password. Yeah, now that's the password. Then let me sign in. Okay. Okay, let's now continue here. Let us wait it. So here we have already logged into to AWS. So I'm going to create an EC2 instance where we'll use it. So I'm going to click EC2. After creating EC2, then here it is. So when you click EC2, this is where you'll be directed, where you can see your instance, you can see image, then elastic block store, network security and stuff. So what we are going to do, I'm going to click here, instance. So here I have an instance which is already running. I'll let it load. I think my network is slow, but we'll deal with it. So these are the instance that are already running, but I want to create a new one where we are using it as a demo. So I'll click launch instance. Then I will choose here the application OS for Amazon. So you are going to choose, because remember the EC2 is it's just like a computer which is hosted online, so it needs to have an OS which is running in it. So we are going to use Ubuntu because Ubuntu, it's easy to use and it's nice. If you want to discover with the other OS, you can try it, even Windows. So I love Ubuntu because of the security and it's good. So what you just select here the quick Ubuntu, then you choose the Amazon machine image. You can choose this free trial because we're using it as a demo. So and here leave it as that one. Then you can create a key pair. You can create a key pair that let's name it as a demo key. Demo, then key. Then let's do this. Let's take this p.pm and click it as RSA. Then you can just click create key pair. When you create key pair, let's store it in my desktop application. Here, let's store it in my desktop application. And then click security. You can just create a new security where you can just allow this and this so that you can access it with any. Then you can choose the gigs there. That's already, just leave it as that. Then you can just launch the instance. we will wait for as everything is being created on an instance so that we can show. I will yes, now we can see here a successfully initiated a launch of instance. So here now there, then you can just click here, view all instance. So I will choose this. I will rename this as demo. Then I will save it. Then I'm going to click it. I'm going to click it here so that you can see everything about this instance that we have created, which we have named it as demo. So it has a public IP, which is IP address this, and it's running. You can see the status, and here you can see the API store, public ID, and everything. So that's how you create your instance in AWS. So wait for the next video where I will explain more on how you can access it on your Windows application. So see you in the next video.